Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can download better Discord themes, as well as on how to input them on your Discord, as in your better Discord. So in order for the better Discord themes to work, you gotta make sure you have better Discord. And this is how you get better Discord. Just search up better Discord, and then from here you just want to download it and install. But after you come to this website, go to themes. Once you're in themes, over here you can choose any of your likings. I'm gonna choose that one. That looks good. I'm gonna choose, what else can I choose? Not really sure. Spotify Discord, why not? Spotify Discord kind of looks nice. Actually, that does look nice. Zelig also looks nice. So we downloaded these three different themes. We can go back to our Discord, open up user settings, scroll all the way down, go to themes. Once you're in themes, you want to open up the theme folder. Once you open up the theme folder, it's going to come up here. Go to your downloads or wherever the new wherever your Google or your website decided to download them. For me, it's always in my downloads files, so I'm just going to go to downloads. These are the three files that I have. Cut them, and then I'm going to go back to this folder, and then I just want to paste it. Once I paste it, close this off, open up your Discord once again, and it's gonna put that right there. So I'm gonna turn my normal Discord off, and then let's go to Zelk, and voila, this looks absolutely amazing. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.